Hey everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. And on this episode of Your Prep for Today, we're going to go a little old school here on some of the items I'm going to tell you about here. All right, so this day and age, everybody's going LED light bulbs, getting the LED lights because they use less wattage and less energy. Problem is, they are very susceptible to certain things, including an electromagnetic pulse. And so if you're worried about an electromagnetic pulse from a solar flare or from any other man-made causes, be forewarned. Your LED lights are going to go, and that's going to be it. So what you may want to consider getting is some old-fashioned incandescent lights. Now, it doesn't mean you have to have the 100 watts so you have everything nice and bright. In fact, you may want to go down to the 25 watts and the 40 watts, keep it down low so you're not putting out a lot of light. But some places you can't even get incandescent bulbs anymore, so you have to hunt around for them. But hey, incandescent bulbs do not go bad. All right, you can get them, pack them away, and they'll be good 100 years from now. All right, so that's something to think about, is getting some incandescent light bulbs. Now, not just the ones that go from your ceiling fixtures and stuff, but also the ones for your flashlights, because those LED flashlights are going to be, toast as well. So you want to have some incandescent bulbs standing by for that. Now, there are several different types of incandescent bulbs if you don't remember. There's your regular, just old incandescent ones, then there are your tungsten halogen ones, and then there are your quartz halogen ones. But figure out what you want to do, what you want to keep, how much power you're going to have, and you may want to get hold of some of the incandescent bulbs and store them for an emergency. All right? So before I take off, I'm going to leave the link to my gardening and homesteading channel up here, Camp Patton Family Compound. Put the link to the Prepping for Beginners up here and the Prepping in Private playlists down here. And I'll see you around. Why? Well, this is why.